Okay, so I was just going for a ride on the bike, and I'll post a picture right now of what I ended up pulling out of it. No idea how. Somewhere here, nope, right here. I'll get on the floor. Right here, there was a nail. A nail in the damn tire. Let me put the mic there. Right here, right there. I didn't even make it out the neighborhood. So either I had something on the floor here, or I don't know, but the ride ended up quick. I know it has to just happen right now because I don't know, I might have something laying on here, which I don't know me, but because now you can kind of hear the leak. Well, I did take the nail out, so it could have been yesterday. Never mind, it could have been yesterday on the ride home. So, I got a nail on it, didn't even notice. And now I can hear it because I took the nail out, and there is a, let me put this cap on this thing. There is a leak, and you can hear it. It's sad. Won't get to ride it until I get this tire replaced. I don't know if putting a plug on it is recommended enough or recommended at all. I know some people have done it, they say, but I'd rather not, because this is like 50% of point of contact on the bike when you're riding. It's not like in a car you have 3 other tires. So it's a bummer. Won't get to ride it. So I guess the first money that we're putting on this thing is not going to be on the exhaust. It's going to be on the damn repair for our tire. Baby. I mean, it could have been worse though, because I feel like I was doing a lot of things, or trying to get a lot of things done, and or to the point where I could leave and go ride, and it wasn't happening. I always kept forgetting something, or I couldn't find something, and then I just decided to just go with it. So it was probably for the best. It was probably, the Lord saving me from something horrible happening on the road. So for that, I'm not, stressed, and I'm not stressing over it. So yeah, could have been worse. Good thing I noticed as I was just pulling out, felt the tire, I felt like something was off. Like I could feel the tire too loose. I know, if you ever ran on a flat tire, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it sucks. I won't get to ride the bike for a couple days until that new tire comes in, which I have to order this Pirelli's. Cause like I said, I don't know how good I feel about putting a patch on it. I might call the dealership that I order it, might put a patch, drive there. But nah, never mind. It's an hour and a half. I'm not an hour and 30 minutes. I'm not doing all that. I'll just order a tire. Bike's gonna be sitting here for a week. I think we got rain coming in the next 2 days. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym like I had planned, but I guess I'm taking the vet. Oh man, I already put the GoPro mount for the 360 view right there. I already have the GoPro on the helmet. Now I just gotta see it here sitting, losing air on the rear tire. Yep. I called my local motorcycle dealership, and they said that they had a Dunlap, and I just bought the bike yesterday. It's got Pirelli's, so it's one tire. I've never been a fan of having 2 different brands on tires. That just looks tacky. But anyways, guys, that's it. That's the update. That's the first expense we're doing on this bike. It's to get in a new tire, because yeah, so I will see you on the next video again. So we're gonna have 2 videos back to back. Peace.